Hey guys, it's me, Iman.
And Stephanie.
So in today's video, we're going to be filming some TikTok drinks. You could say TikTok drinks, but like we're going to go ask the baristas to make 3 drinks for us. It's 3 for me, 3 for her. But we're here at Starbucks right now, so we haven't told each other what drinks we're going to be getting. But we never tried these, and I hope that they're at least good. So I don't know what are you doing? 2 frappuccinos and 1 refresher, or 2 refreshers?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll let you decide. I don't know either. I took a lot of screenshots. On what I want, but I don't know which ones I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna get 2 frappuccinos and 1 refresher. I don't know about Stephanie. Stephanie is really picky right now.
I should have done it last night, but
it's whatever, Stephanie. Just pick it, okay?
I want something mocha.
Mocha.
I should ask him, be like, which one is the best one that you guys make? Like best seller. That sounds awkward. What's a bestseller?
What if they give you like iced coffee or something that's like
basic?
But I feel like they're not that tight.
Okay, I'm gonna tell him to make me a unique one, like a unique, pretty looking drink.
I
want you to do it first, cause
okay, fine, I'll do it. I'll do it first. Okay, I'll do it first.
We're going back and forth with this.
I'll do it first.
Okay. Wait, let me see which one we'll get.
Are we ready?
I'm nervous.
Okay, so I just ordered all mine, and so Stephanie's ordering hers, and then we're going to be taste testing them. Okay guys, we just ordered the drinks. The baristas were pretty nice. They did it fairly quick.
Wait, did you record them?
No, I didn't, because I didn't want to like put them up. I didn't want to put them in there. I didn't want to, you know, make them awkward.
Who spells my name like that?
Stop it.
What if you can hear me? It's okay, they're close.
Okay. Yeah, they're pretty chill. But I just hope the audio's okay because of the wind. This is the 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒 secret menu drink. So ask them. I'll put the recipe on the screen. But basically, it's just 2 frappuccinos mixed in together.
That looks pretty.
She do look pretty. Pretty, y'all.
Okay.
She's doing drugs. She's doing drugs.
She's smoking a cigarette. That's not.
Okay. Try it.
Wait.
Okay. Wait, you didn't even say go. Okay, I'm gonna try it, guys. Yo, oh, I forgot to take my lactic pills. This tastes like Stephanie or Heffany.
Oh, don't ever.
This is good.
I should have got a ponytail.
I'm glad this is a freaking what? Oh shit, this is a Trenta, Stephanie. This
I thought they didn't have it here.
What?
Trenta?
They do have it.
Gabby told me they didn't.
Gabby don't know.
It's good. How am I gonna drink all of this?
How am I gonna drink all of this? I need my water. Let me go get my water.
Okay, go get your water.
I'm gonna get my water.
12 seconds later.
Iman, the day she doesn't have a jacket in her car is when I needed a jacket. I look like a freaking bear with this. I dirty myself. Fun fact, guys, I'm gonna call off today because I don't feel like going to work.
I don't got my lactate pills, Stephanie.
Why don't you have it with you?
No, I do.
It is cold.
It is.
And we're here drinking cold drinks.
You know what I was gonna do?
What?
I was gonna tell them to make like an ugly drink. Not ugly, but like
What are you talking?
like a really disgusting drink, so that.
No, but that's always the money.
Yeah.
So we're at Starbucks trying some random drinks. Are you ready? You're ready. It looks like it's about to rain, you want.
It do.
It's freaking cold, guys. And we're trying out some cold drinks. It's cold. Look. It looks like it's about to rain.
Okay, this is going really bad.
Right.
Okay, this drink I would give it a 9 out of 10 because of the sweetness. Sweetness.
Is that mine?
Yes, Stephanie.
It's okay. I'll use the same straw.
I would get this again and taste like a straw, like an ice cream.
describe it.
This tastes really good, but I feel like I got the bottom portion, so the green tea I feel like it's gonna be kind of iffy. But it's not bad. I feel like if you were to get this drink, you should definitely try it out. And
what if the audio is bad because the wind?
Let's go to the car. Stephanie, let's go to the car.
Well, it was like that with one of your videos, didn't it?
Yeah. So sorry, we had to change locations because of the windiness. So I would give this a solid 9 out of 10 because it's kind of sweet, but it's kind of too much for me. I think he did on purpose, which is nice.
10 out of 10 if you like fruity drinks.
Mango Dragon Fruit 2.0. This is the
refreshers.
I'm kind of
my voice.
I'm scared. Mine's a tall mango dragon with added passion tango with 1 pump of raspberry syrup with no mango inclusions, and layer it on top with, but just have it layered. That's it. So yes.
Ours looks the same, but it's just like yours like yellowish kind of at the bottom.
I'm kind of scared because I don't like lemonade. Should we trade? You want to trade?
I guess. Is
this spelling? Say go. I like this.
Tastes like medicine.
Stir it up, stir it. Stir it up.
It tastes like medicine. That's way much better.
I guess she had to be mixed.
It tastes like a little bit of the medicine still.
This one tastes tropical-ish. Something that you get for the summer.
She told me, she was like, I see that you like tropical. I was like, like, you know, fruity smoothies and stuff like that. I was like, yeah.
You got a type, huh? I feel like I would do this in the summer, but not now, because in the spring I feel like this is not a springy drink. This is a drink if you're like really like thirsty. For you,
tastes like medicine. A little.
Which one?
This?
Yeah.
At first?
Cough medicine?
Yeah, kind of like, you know, the little liquid ones. Yeah. But when you mix it, it's better.
I did not mix her. But she's good.
6.
But she's a solid 8 out of 10, you could say. What would you rate her? And she's kind of sweet.
Yeah, she's sweet. She's sweet. Why am I saying she? I'm getting it from you. Yeah. I'll give this a 7. No, yeah, 7.
Lastly, this is a tall strawberry cream frappuccino with raspberry syrup and added frappe chips with mocha drizzle and cookie crumbs. I feel like this was gonna be a banger. So
how can you read that? Is that strawberry?
Where?
You see a little pink areas?
Oh yeah. This is a tall vanilla bean cream frappuccino with added strawberry scoops with strawberry puree and blackberry scoops. Damn, you put blackberries? I hate blackberries.
I don't know, I told her to read it. It looks so dry at the top. I wonder if you see that.
Ready, set, go.
You're good.
I like her too.
If you like strawberry smoothies, like a strawberry.
This tastes like you know when you're younger and your mom adds like what's it called? Strawberry powder in your drink. It tastes like that.
Yeah. I forgot what it's called. It starts with an N.
I would get this again, definitely. Like next time I go to Starbucks,
strawberry or chocolate?
Yes, strawberry and chocolate.
This is good.
Yours looks like...
I give this a 10, no 11, no 100 out of 10.
I feel like I've gotten this before, but I'm not sure. But but she's good. She's... Are these tall drinks gonna bear, or is it just me? She's good, guys. She's actually good.
Very good.
12 out of 10, you could say.
100.
100?
It's good. I like it.
I like it too. You want this?
You don't want any more?
No, I want it, but I don't know.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Why are you speeding?
Okay, hold on. Let me grab it because it's gonna end up falling. Why do they both taste like that?
For real?
It's like, no, not like medicine, but it's like that weird taste. It kind of makes your like tongue dry.
Like a little tang.
Yes. The drinks are good.
Yeah, the drinks are good. Would we get these again? Yes, but not the refreshers.
Not the refreshers.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This video was it was a fun one to film actually. I just wish I filmed the baristas, but I didn't want to put them in their spot, you know.
Yeah, but they were having fun doing it.
They were having fun. He was asking questions too, on how you want it. I was like, here's just a picture. I don't know how to. I don't know, cause like I don't really know that much of like making the drinks like that. I just know how they look like. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, you guys should give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in another video. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye guys.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.